welcome to the Simmons University Library. This video is a quick tutorial on how to find journal articles using the library search. For this tutorial, we will use the citation for an article about mindfulness and generalized anxiety disorder. Let's get started by going to the library's homepage. Now that we've got the homepage up, let's take a look at our sample syllabus for this tutorial series to get the citation for our reading. While it may be tempting to copy and paste this whole citation into the search bar, that can overwhelm the search algorithm. So instead, let's take the title of our article and use that as our search term. So when we do that, we will get a fair number of results, but we should still be able to find our article and the full text fairly quickly. So here's our article, and here's the full text. So if for some reason this didn't work as a keyword search, we can change our search to a title search, which will limit our results to articles with only this title. So now we've only got 3, and we can still very easily access the full text for our article. If this rather still did not work, we can use the advanced search and combine this title with an author's name from our citation. And again, we get our article. If you still need help locating your article, feel free to chat with the library and we will be happy to help. So this concludes the tutorial on finding journal articles using the library search. To review, searching for parts of the citation, such as the title of the article or the title and the author's name, are reliable search strategies which work better with the search algorithm than searching for something like the full citation. We hope you found this tutorial helpful, and please feel free to contact the library with any further questions.